I'm them jiggle infos. I like to see you big for sure. My owners have once again left me to solitude, so here I am making another video. Oh. Let's do this. Roll. Let's roll. You see me hate it. You see me rolling. You hate it. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Gotta get it. Ah, yes. So since you guys are here, since my lovely days are here, I played Jenga yesterday, and I want to, play it by myself. I want to play it by myself to see how long, I could go with it. So I'm inviting y'all to watch. Well, let me raid my cousin's place to get the Jenga. So my owners have left me, and this is what I find myself in their house doing. I'm not sure if it's a good or a bad thing. I'll soon make food though, because I'm hungry. This time I do know how to use the stove. So I'll just play this one time and put it back because I'm hungry. They say architects should be good at this game, and as an aspiring architect, I will tell you that is a lie. Well, then again, it's probably because those architects learned something. I did not. The only time can tell, I guess. If it looks lean, it's because it probably is, and I'm not gonna change that. So yeah. So I really have a lot of videos to post, but I haven't gotten around to editing them yet. Since the move, which is like last Saturday, I've been procrastinating, and I haven't even reached back up to my aunt yet, which is where I live. So there's not really much for me to do down here. I think it's time I go back, but I just can't find myself going back. And my father refuses to pick me up too, so that could be part of the issue. Because I don't want to go back Uber or taxi or whatever. Alright. I mean, it's straight enough for me. Who cares? Who cares? So we're not taking from the first three, going down bottom. My fingernail broke. Good. It was a creepy ass smell. So because I closed the windows and the curtain, it might make bad lighting, and some of the bulbs are screwed out, and I'm short, so I can't reach in to screw it in. And really, I'm not going to put so much time and effort into screwing it in. You guys just have to work with the bad lighting here. It's not really a bright place as the other one, because the other one, I don't know, it's just brighter. This is not really such a bright place, probably because they're surrounded by other houses or whatever. I don't care, but yeah. It feels nice. This is a homey feel to it. This is her new place, by the way. I think I should have mentioned that first. This is her new place. It has a new homey feel to it. Everybody sing more. Can't. Yeah, see the wobble. Wow. Me? I like to push my limits, you see. Especially when something tells me I can't. That's when I like to do it the most. But for now, I'll stop. Because as much as I, like pushing limits, there is a limit to what I can push. Oh, no, I feel something going wrong here. I feel something's going wrong. It's too much. I would build up this. Huh? Hold on. See, I have a bad habit of catching Jenga blocks and hoping they stay up. I did it yesterday too. When we were playing with 3 persons and it still fell down. I guess that's why I say thieves never prosper. Okay, I'll pack it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back and I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. If you realize I like making sandwiches. So this is a new kitchen, and unlike the last one, I know where everything is. That's right, I've improved and built over the time. I know where everything is in this kitchen, so I can move around comfortably here because I own this kitchen. Well, my owners own this kitchen and I'm their trustee. What would my owners call me? I call them owners. What do they call me? Sometimes my egg chip out. Anyway, so I'm gonna make a sandwich. Start with the fridge. Look at this. Because I like onion, I like tomato. Only bread back left. But I'm one of the 1% that eats this, so I don't care. When you oil to fry sandwich. Lay the fish. Mama, them jiggle, eat foods. I like to see you big. For sure, and I'll speed up this process so you guys can come off this channel as quick as possible because I realize it's getting really embarrassing. Let's put it here next to the stove so y'all can burn it down. So y'all can see what's happening. This mini pot here. Let me turn on the stove. And put this on. Well, I guess I'll be needing oil after all because there's enough oil. I turn it up on high. So I've made my sandwich the way I want it. I'll take a bite of my sandwich. And then I'll dismiss y'all. We're in school's in session. I'm teaching y'all to bite a sandwich. First, you hold the sandwich. Make sure the bottom and the top is secure together. Use these 2 fingers under here to keep them together. And then you hold it and you take a bite. One day I'm gonna draw like a bookmark. mukbang thing. Okay, I need to eat my sandwich in peace now. I'm slowing down too much to talk to y'all. So we'll see you guys next video. Mwah. Lovely day to y'all. My lovely days.